Hey everyone, Trent with Boxo USA. We're out here at the Overland Expo SoCal, first inaugural year. But something great is what we have right here is we're a tool and toolbox manufacturer, and we got kits like this that we build out specifically for different people's rigs and stuff. So what I'm gonna do is just give you a quick run through on our 80-piece off-road bag and show you some of the ins and the outs. So what you're gonna see is this over here on the left is the roll that's inside, and we have it opened up. This is gonna be all metric tools broken out from 8 to 21 millimeters. And then we have a socket rail as well that matches. And then some specialty items are going to be these axle nut sockets right here. So that way you can pull axles. We have some nice nylon lug nut sockets as well too. And they're covered so that way they protect the paint, different colors for different sizes, and then miscellaneous things. 90-tooth ratchets, 3/8 and 1/2 inch drive, and a plethora of other tools. Now, as we get into this bigger bag, you're gonna see some things that kind of are, just to take care of other odds and ends. This is our electrical set. So we have a circuit tester, wire strips, crips, electrical tape, flesh cuts. We do have, in case you get in that spot where you're running out of air pressure, a tire plug kit, so you can patch and plug that. Extra bag just with some stickers and also nitrate gloves. And then also over here, my favorite thing I always like to call out is going to be our adjustable pry bar with the head, flexed on it, and then various hammers. So overall, this is an 80-piece kit, but we do have extra space in here to be able to add in anything of your own that we might not have. Lifetime warranty on all the tools. So feel free to go online, boxousa.com, and you may not be out at the show, but we still have a 10% code that you could use. It's OVE SoCal. So plug it in at checkout, save 10% off. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. We're always happy to help. boxousa.com.